meeting becoming more like in the mobile phone repair industries. Today, this Char mobile phone was sent by fans in Henan province. The mobile phone force restart failure. Let me repair it. At this moment, my heart is very heavy. On July 20, a heavy rain hit Henan province. During the disaster, people hurt each other and many companies donated materials, which made me very touched. Now we just need switchboard to this new board directly. Now this mobile phone is repair finished because we know her customer password, so we just try the Kong mobile phone. Today we prepared this mobile phone is for free. I hope that after the storm, the people of Henan province will be better and better. If you like my video, please give me a like. See you next time.